guys. So you might be wondering, why am I in this outfit today? Well, that's because in OG Animal Company, I used to wear this outfit, and that's why I'm restarting Animal Company. And I'm restarting Animal Company with my friend Landon. And just to get us not mixed up, I put a police hat on my head so you don't mix us up. So yeah, let's get right into that. Also, I forgot to disappeared. Ah. Okay. Just gonna set that there. Okay. What map do you think we should run? Like,
we should go to sewers.
Okay. Oh yeah, also, I forgot to explain the rules. So, basically...
First, we can't buy stuff if we earn the money to buy it. We can't buy it. And we can't buy
also,
it.
let me just throw this in.
Be quiet.
Let me throw this in, okay? Whatever items we find, we can use, okay?
Okay, say less. Let's go to sewers.
So,
See hasta amigo!
Alright. Okay, I didn't know where you were. Okay, so obviously we're not gonna use this.
I
could use a little extender. Okay, dude, you ready? We're gonna... How are you already dying? Oh my gosh, pipe was OP back in the day. Okay, bro. I know the way. It's right. Did you get a revolver? Oh, shoot. Okay, bro, you're good. How did you find a revolver? How? How on earth did you die?
I don't know.
Okay. Also... You're so cooked! How did you not get chased? Okay, so I like to call this part the pipe because it's like in the same shape as the pipe.
I got 4 bullets in me. I'm ready.
Okay, can we throw this down here? Okay, you know what? That's messing me up. Oh my gosh, holy extender. Okay, what do you think we should be,
Let's go to your area.
should we go over there, or should we go over there? What do you think? I think we should go, like, all the way through sewers.
Papa, hold on.
I think we should go all the way.
Shush. Let's go. Ow. Bro, I don't know if we can, like, make it. I mean, yeah.
No, we can.
If I have to use my gun, you're gonna hear the bullets go off. Okay?
My viewer's about to die. So we might have to cut to where...
Why would you make this video?
Hold on! Okay, guys, I will be right back. I'll be right back. Oh, wait, no. Wait, I can stay here. I forgot this.
People, sorry. Okay.
People,
I was like, bullet.
Oh, shoot. No, my
I was like, bullet.
Alright. Continuing on! Onward and onward! Oh. Onward and onward!
I got 4 bullets! Come on, man!
Oh, yeah, by the way, we cannot die to the scary lady, or Banshee, or... We cannot die to the scary lady, aka Banshee, or the big head. I figured that out.
Guys, GG. See ya.
Yeah, bro? Bro, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Did you die?
Yeah.
Okay, well, Landon died. I'll just be hovering over the... I'll be hovering over the camera. Or, watch. Did they remove the... I don't know if they removed that. Okay, I'm just gonna make a run for it. Shoot. Okay. No! Okay, please, be a flashlight. Be a flashlight. Okay, you know what? I'll keep that. Okay, you know what? That was really good. Dead end. Yes! Let's go! Oh yeah, by the way, I was inspired by people speedrunning maps. And by Chubbier Snail. Inspiration by him restarting Animal Company. Or, I don't know what video that was, but... should I get a piece of uranium? You know what? Sure. Why not? But first... There. Alright. Let's just get a bit of this. Which one was the big one? Oh, it's up there. Alright. Whoa, I way overshot that. Okay. Big piece of uranium. Hey, bro, you still there?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming back.
You might as well die.
Dude, no. The whole point of the video is restarting Animal Company and doing this stuff. We gotta complete the map.
Bro, we're going to.
Okay, hold up. I'm almost at the end.
Cool.
There we go. Okay. Over here. Okay. Boom. Ow. Yeah, Chubbier Snow, if you're seeing this, shout out to you. Shout out to Chubbier Snail. Oh. Okay, he's not in this video, but video inspiration by him. Okay, go, 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 go.
You're at the end?
3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
Go. Let's go! Also, I brought back uranium. Where are you?
Guess what I found while running?
I know for a matter of fact. I know for a matter of fact that you bought that. No, don't eat it. That's cheating, okay?
Look at my money.
I can't see. It doesn't. You can't show other people your money. All right, let's see how much money we make. We can probably get some stuff.
Can I eat this? Can I eat this? Can I eat this?
No.
Oh, I'm gonna eat it.
Here, give it to me. Oh. Okay. How much money do we get?
Ooh.
Oh, wait. Okay, so we can spend 860. 860. So I will keep this pipe just in case. But okay, so I'm gonna buy a crowbar. So that's 400. And then 300. I can spend another 100. So okay, bro. I got my loot. No, bro, we can't. Oh, you can't. Okay. So, now.
But I don't want to go back to Suez.
Okay, yeah, true. Okay. Should we do?
Lakes?
Okay. What should we do? Lake? Forest? Should we wait? Hold on. Should we do every map?
Yeah. Do you
Okay.
think we're doing?
So we'll
We'll
do
start
lake
animal
first, because we can get hella money. We got hella money.
Hella money.
We got hella money. We got hella money. We get hella money. We get.
Bro, stop hitting me.
I only hit you once.
Bro, you actually hit me too.
Oh,
Yo, you see how low? You see how low health I am?
I do not.
Be quiet.
All right, hold up.
Let me go. Let me go.
Let's go.
Hey, you really can't see nothing down here.
Okay, bro. I'll go first, and then you go after. Okay? No? Okay. That should be enough time. No, no, no. Yo. Okay, I'll go first. Oh. Never mind. I won't go first. That way.
I can't
Onwards and
swim.
onwards.
I can't
This video is
swim.
gonna be really. This video is 3 seconds long. Okay. You ready to fight that guy? I'm not.
Sword. Get him.
Okay, bro. Let me fight him. Let me fight him. Let me fight him, bro.
Hell.
Got him. Okay.
Goddamn.
Wait, we gotta get some loot. We gotta get some loot.
Get some money. Get some money.
Okay, I know that all of the loot in here are like thousands, maybe even hundreds. So,
Yo, bro. Wait for me.
okay, bro, there's one behind here. Shoot. Okay, let me go first. Let me go first. I can't move. Okay, here we go. Stand back. Okay, wait. Got him. Okay, open it, open it, open it. No, we don't need that. That's trash.
Go.
Alright, we gotta keep going. Let's go! Okay, hard part is done. Yes, I call that the hard part. Okay, I'm giving you a huge warning. Do not. Where even are? Where even are you?
Over here, bro. I've been waiting.
Come. Okay. Okay, we gotta find something good in here. No.
I mean, my banana would be good.
Okay. Just sneak around this guy. And boom, now we're here. So we can't fully speedrun the map because, like, we don't have 3 people. We can't fully restart Animal Company. But, I mean, we can get some pretty good stuff from here. So
Bro, wait
let's
for
try and
me.
use that stuff. Okay. There's gotta be a shortcut, right? So at this point, I am literally scared to death. I mean, I heard that roar, bro. Like, I was scared to death, bro. Okay, let's just continue with the video. Don't go over here. Don't go over there.
No. Why should I? Lucky Mary, you don't listen. I see it. I see it.
Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff here.
Bro, the gray matter costs a lot. Let me tell you that, okay?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to go. Flip it.
Alright, let's go! We're out of the hard part again. This is the easiest part. You just gotta not touch the tentacles. That's all you have to do. Jackpot over here. Okay, bro. Make sure you get as much as possible. I'm almost touching it right now.
I killed one.
Shoot. You killed it? Okay. I don't know if I can get this one. I can.
Research point?
You got a research point? What? Oh. I'll get you.
Over here.
I'm gonna see you.
Over here.
Okay.
Look at all this.
Don't try not to go up. Okay.
Let me get some.
Okay, bro. I got a research point too. Oh, my bad. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Oh yeah, we're getting money, bro. We're getting money. Yep. Get that. I don't know who got that. Okay, bro. Let's go back. Okay, bro.
Okay. Swimming time!
What? Who said some swimming time when we're literally in a brain? Well, next to a brain, I suppose. Right here.
What?
Yeah, bro?
This is like a climbing game. Bro, you
Oh,
see
there you
how
are.
we speedrun
I can't really look up. My VR is kind of blocking it, so I have to put my head back in order to look up. But why would I need to look up? Okay. Okay. Here we go. Don't touch the flesh.
I know.
And
I
that
want to get top.
is how you... So that's what that
Yes.
is. Alright, bro.
Yes. No.
Dump it out instead of putting your whole bag in. Please. Pleases. Don't sell yet. Holy crap.
Okay.
Okay, bro, come on.
Yeah.
We gotta get something good from this.
Wow, first try.
That happened to me once. I just hit the jackpot. Hey, I just hit the jackpot. Okay, let me stop. Type anymore.
Hey.
Okay.
We're
What should I buy?
I'm keeping it.
Okay. Well, let's see here. I have 17K.
Alright, bro. First thing I'm buying a grapper.
Let me think. Yeah, a grappler would be ideal. You know what? I feel like buying a Galaxy. Okay, so 2,000. I have 15,000 still.
I have 50,000.
Should I get like a great sword? No, okay, I'm gonna stick with the crowbars.
I'm gonna
Actually, you know what? Technically, I can buy goop. So that is 14K. That's 14K down the drain.
Bro, I'm getting a flashlight.
Yeah. Yeah. You shouldn't have got that one, but yeah.
Okay, let go. Where are we going?
Hold up. We got more money that we can spend.
No, we save. Bro, save your money.
Hold up. I'm trying to think what would be useful. Like,
I mean, definitely a light.
Hmm.
If we
I don't
want to go to
know.
Scary Lady, I like. We're carrying one of these.
Hmm. What? I can't see. Carrying what? One of what?
Okay. Okay, third map we will be going is
Oh, yeah, this one's really easy. This one's really easy. The only thing that's not easy is the, I don't know what is not easy in here. Oh, shoot. Where's this guy? Where are you? Where are you? What?
I'm at Snow.
What? Bro, when I went out there, you weren't out there, and I was just in here. What just happened? Okay, yeah, technically, how much are these?
Grandpa
We need
house.
to know.
Grandpa house. We're going to Grandpa house.
Okay. This one is 1K, so I'm at 13K.
Then start going.
Okay, chill, bro. I am so getting this ski.
Yo, why are you holding it like that? Why?
No, if I go flat, then it starts glitching out. If I go like this, it starts glitching out. If I go like this, it won't let me go anywhere. So, I don't know, bro. I don't know what's up with this game. Well, there's one of them. Okay, go. This way. Nope. Okay. I'll get it. Okay, I got it.
You got it? Wait.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, now 3, 2, 1, go.
Which way was back? Shoot.
Back up. Go.
Okay, go. This way.
Listen!
Okay, I might be really, really low. But... Okay. I got the key. So, I'm going to go back. Can I put this? Okay, that's it. I'm trying to think here. How am I gonna do this? Okay, well, I need a ski. How much does a ski cost? I'll just buy it from here. We'll go with blue. Okay. So, we're gonna do this. I'm going to put my grappling hook away. And then, I will grab the key. And then we can make our way down. Okay, I'm at the vault. Where are you? Oh, I hear you. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay. Opening the vault. If I can. There we go. Help me!
Let me go. I see I did.
This is taking too long. Alright, just complete the obstacle course. It's not that hard. I'm joking, it is hard.
That's why we got grappers.
Dude, I think this area is so cool. I've never actually explored this, so I'll have to sometime. Oh, he left. Okay, well, I guess I'm doing this without this guy. You know what? This guy's got some pretty good loot. I'll save it. I'll save it. Alright. Do I have to go all the way back? How do I go back? Oh, yeah, I remember now. Yeah, this part. How did I not see that? Alright. Okay, we're all the way back here. Of course, okay. Nice. This flipping nice. Alright guys, cinematic time! Okay, bro, come on! Dude, I'm starting to think that this thing hates me. Okay, finally, after a decade... Okay. Let me get that. Get that. Alright, cinematics! Here we go!
Jimmy, stop! Jimmy, stop! Jimmy! Jimmy!
That's such a fun trampoline!
Would you rather a free rocket or a mystery bag?
God did for me. Hey buddy, you need a haircut?
Sorry, but I have to go.
What do you mean? No!
I'm trying to make sure that you all see this. Bro, I've seen this one before.
I mean, just look at her.
I mean, just look at her. Alright. It was the best recap of them all. I'm lagging so bad. I really do need to get my company coins. Let's see how much each one gives. Each one gives... I didn't even read. Each one gives one? A singular company coin? Oh no. Oh, you know what? I'ma take that. Oh. Here's the valves. I don't know what they're called. I think they're called valves. Oh yeah, I have that one. I have this. I have that. No! No! Oh. I thought I had to go all the way back. Finally, the end of Animal Company. Well, some say. Is this button. London or one. Ah! 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 I'm so laggy. Ah! 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 No! 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 Help me! No! 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 Ah! Ah! Oh, there we go. Wow! Alright. Well, yeah. It's the most fun map. Should I, well, I kinda gotta go. Maybe I'll make a part 2 and we can do the rest of the maps. So, this is where it all started, right here. if you stayed till the end, thank you so much. Okay? If you made it to the end of this, thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. Dude, half of the time, nobody even, like, sees my videos. Sadly. But, if you made it to the end, thank you so much. I'm doing a part 2, maybe tomorrow, maybe tonight. Well, tonight for me. So, you can go, and I'll see you later. Have a great rest of your day.